Before we get onto the exact methodology of habit change, let me tell you that it's absolutely okay if you're having some bad, rather ineffective habits. Changing habits takes time and is something that doesn't happen overnight. On this road to habit change, there would be small wins and moments of pride, and at the same time, there would be losses and moments of discouragement. But that's the beauty of any journey towards change.
Let us appreciate you that since you are watching this video and looking for solutions, this shows your intent, which is not very common. People have changed their ineffective habits and eventually you will too. So don't be harsh on yourself, be patient and keep working. Now on to the video.
Welcome to New School of Growth. My name is Devang.
And I am Shivam Jha. As we had already discussed what habits are and also identified that there is nothing called as bad habits but only ineffective habits. और जब हम किसी हैबिट चेंज की बात करते हैं तो हमारा गोल किसी इनइफेक्टिव हैबिट के ऑपोजिट हैबिट को डेवलप करना होता है, which is also called as reverse habit.
And because these habits are on opposite ends of the habit change spectrum, we often tend to approach habit change in all or nothing fashion, जहां पर हम एक बुरी आदत या इनइफेक्टिव हैबिट को तुरंत छोड़कर एक अच्छी आदत या इफेक्टिव हैबिट बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. And we rarely consider the gap in between.
Initially when we approach the process of habit change, तो स्टार्टिंग में हमारी संकल्प शक्ति और प्रेरणा काफी ज्यादा होती है, but the same level of motivation and willpower does not carry throughout the process of habit change. And we often ignore the unpredictability of our willpower and self-control, and then judge ourselves that whether we would be able to take ourselves on the extremes or not.
So इस all or nothing style of thinking या dichotomous thinking को change करना हैबिट चेंज के लिए काफी ज्यादा जरूरी है. One of the concepts that proved to be groundbreaking for us and also captures this gap and provides a solution is what Nir Eyal, the author of Hooked, likes to call as progressive extremism. And it can be defined as gradual positive movement towards your destination. It is the idea of baby steps and incremental action that help us progress gradually towards one extreme.
जैसे कि मान लीजिए हम अभी पॉइंट ए पर हैं, which is the ineffective habit, और जाना हमें पॉइंट Z पर है, which is the effective habit which we want to adopt or inculcate. So according to progressive extremism, we don't have to jump directly at Z, rather move towards it via B, C and D.
Personally, I used to struggle a lot with waking up early. मेरे लिए सुबह 7 या 8 बजे के बाद उठना was very ineffective. एंड मैं अपने इस सुबह लेट उठने की आदत को काफी दिनों से ब्रेक करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. उस समय आई रेड दिस बुक कॉल्ड द 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma, which provided the initial motivation and willpower to wake up at 5 AM. शुरुआत के कुछ दिनों में I was very successful and that's why I wanted to wake up even earlier, which was at 4. And this is where I made the blunder. जहां एक एक्सट्रीम पे मैं 7 या 8 बजे उठ रहा था, all of sudden I wanted to wake up at 4 and surprisingly also wanted to be consistent at it. I would have been more consistent अगर इस जर्नी पे मैं progressively आगे बढ़ता. Meaning एक एक्सट्रीम पे मैं जहां 7-8 बजे उठ रहा था, मुझे धीरे धीरे उस समय को कम करना था जिसमें कम विल पावर एंड मोटिवेशन की जरूरत पड़ती, which indeed would have made me more consistent and this habit more sustainable. This is what is known as progressive extremism.
The idea of progressive extremism becomes more effective when we start applying the 4 laws of behavior change described by James Clear in his book Atomic Habits. Taking directly from his book in no particular order, these 4 laws are: number 1, make it difficult; number 2, make it invisible;
number 3, make it unsatisfying; and number 4, make it unattractive. So the first law is make it invisible. This means that a particular cue which triggers a particular response, इस cue को हमें invisible या disappear कर देना. And this cue could be anything from a person, a place, a specific time, an event, and in certain cases, certain emotions.
And the second law is making it difficult, which implies कि हम अपने bad routine के behavior को इतना tough बना दे, इतना hard बना दे कि उसे automatically और easy कर पाना हमारे लिए आसान ना हो. और यही बार बार की रुकावट हमारे लिए उस चीज को unsatisfying बना देगी, and which is the third one.
And the last law says make it unattractive, which is all about emotional and mental outlook towards a particular habit. How attractive do we find our habits, and इन habits को हम अपने ideal self से कितना associate करते हैं, इस फैक्ट को ध्यान रखते हुए द फोर्थ लॉ सेज कि हम इन एसोसिएशन को अनअट्रैक्टिव बना दें, बिकॉज इन रियलिटी ineffective habits take us away from our ideal selves.
Hit the like button if you like these principles. As I had already committed in the previous video, that how I overcame my ineffective habit of playing the video game would be discussed in this one. So, आज मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा कि how I used all those 4 laws to overcome my ineffective habit. The first law says, make it invisible. तो पहले मैं अपने गेम्स को अपने लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन पर रखता था. Hence, abiding by the first law, मैंने अपने सारे गेम्स को अपने लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन से हटा दिया. But I never uninstalled them, keeping the concept of progressive extremism in my mind. Now let's talk about the second law, which says make it difficult. I turned all the game difficulty settings to maximum, ताकि मेरे लिए उस गेम को खेलना difficult हो जाए. And gradually I started losing the game and I was never able to win those games. And slowly, this sense of losing the game all the time made the habit of playing the video game really unsatisfying and unattractive. और यहीं पर हमें third और fourth law का application होता दिख रहा है.
So the exact methodology which we have used, which is combining progressive extremism with the 4 laws of behavior change, is highly evident in the examples that we have discussed. Not only these principles helped us break our ineffective habits, but also helped us build the effective ones.
So now it's time for you कि आप अपने bad habits को identify करें और उसे एक बार में ठीक करने की बजाय you can adopt the principle of progressive extremism, जहां पर आप पहली बार में point A से point B की ओर जाएंगे, ना कि सीधे point A से point Z की ओर. And also, you must find ways to adopt and replicate the concept of these 4 laws of behavior change.
If you found this video helpful, then do hit that subscribe button for more such videos.